Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to check Experience Pack ID on your Windows 10 or 11 laptop, and also this video useful for PC. Just you have to click on the search bar, type here about. Here you will see command about your PC system settings. So click on it. Here you have to scroll down. So underneath Windows specifications, you will see experience. In my case, it's Windows feature experience pack, and this is the ID for this one. It can be different in your case. So this is the way you can get ID for Windows feature experience pack. Thanks for watching, and please share, like, and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.